baptism by Matthew, and it has been revered as such from at least the 4th century. There are many monasteries and churches in the area testifying to the long religious tradition at Qasr al-Yahud. In Jewish tradition, the crossing of the Jordan by the children of Israel under Joshua must also have taken place in this general area. It is also associated with the site where Elijah handed over the prophecy to Elisha and rose to heaven on a fiery chariot. Okay, here we are in the baptism deck, as you can see in the phone. I don't know if you can see. The water in the baptism deck is regularly inspected to ensure that it is safe to enter the Jordan. Please be aware, the wet decking can be very sleepy. Okay. The general area is amazingly beautiful and is good place to understand desert landscape and see the impact of water. The trail of the Jordan is very clear with an oasis-like quality. There are many churches in use, abandoned, and being constructed in the area. The Jordan River is very narrow. It is possible to carry out a normal conversation with pilgrims in Jordan. Please be aware that Jordanian authorities take a very dim view of illegal border crossing. Although this is a place of outstanding natural beauty and religious significance, it is an international border in every respect.
Very good. Guys, clap your hands for Roger! Tell me, Roger, you say before you are single, what is your type? What you look for?
I'm looking for a beautiful woman with already built, because I have already a baby.
Oh, so tell me, what is more important for you? Outside or inside?